Ndị Igbo ndewo no. Ụtụtụ ọma nọ. Unu apụtala? Unu abọọla? N'ụbọchị taa, achọrọ m ịkụzi ekele n'olu Igbo. Greetings in Igbo language. Greeting is very important in Igbo land, especially when it comes to socialization. Most greetings are used to convey information. It is not very common to see 2 or 3 Igbo people that has any degree of acquaintance passing each other without extending greetings. Greetings are sometimes exchanged with a total stranger. Not greeting or even greeting in a culturally inappropriate ways can lead to a negative assessment of a person or his character. Such a person is regarded as either arrogant or a bad person. He or she can also be regarded as not well-trained. In Igbo land, they will say, "Azụghị nwa azụ." That means the person is not well-trained. In Igbo land or culture, the social variables of age, sex, and status dictates who initiates greetings. In other words, the younger person initiates the greeting with the older, the female with the male. And then sometimes it can be according to status, inferior with superior, but mostly the younger person initiates greetings in Igbo land. If you don't do that, the older ones or the elders will see you as a very bad child. Onaghị ekele mmadụ. She doesn't greet anybody. And that can actually hinder you from getting some kind of favor from people because you don't greet. They don't like it if you don't greet in Igbo land. So today we're going to look at some popular or common greetings in Igbo land. The English and Igbo version of them. Good morning. You can see in Igbo, ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ means morning in Igbo. So you can say ụtụtụ ọma, ịbọọla chi, ịsaala chi, maọbụ iteela. Good afternoon. Ehihie ọma. Afternoon means ehihie. Ọma means nice or good. So good afternoon, ehihie ọma, or efifie ọma. In response, the person can say ehihie ọma, the same thing, you know. Peace be with you. Udo dịrị gị. Response, dịkwara gị. Good evening. Mgbede ọma. Evening is mgbede in Igbo. As I said earlier, ọma means good. So good evening, mgbede ọma. Response, mgbede ọma. You can also add like gender, you know, mgbede ọma nne, mgbede ọma nna, or mgbede ọma nwa m. Nne means mother or a female figure. Nna means father or male figure. You can call any male nna in Igbo land. Nna, nne. Nne is female. Then it depends on who is responding to the greeting. If an older person is responding to a younger person, they can say mgbede ọma nwa m. Nwa m means child, my child. Nwam. You're personalizing it. Nwam, my child. Mgbede ọma nwam. Now we have good night. Abalị ọma. Night can also be called anyasị in Igbo. Anyasị ọma, abalị ọma. Or you can say kachifo. Response, ka ọbọ. Welcome, no, ibiala, ilotala. All these can be used as welcome. In response, imeela. Have a good day. Nwee ụbọchị ọma. Nwee ụbọchị ọma. You can say thank you, like in Igbo. Imeela. Imeela means thank you in English. So when somebody say nwee ụbọchị ọma, you can just say imeela. Goodbye. Ka emesịa. Ka ọ dị. Response, ka ọ dị mgbe ọzọ. Have a safe trip or journey. Ije ọma maọbụ gaa nke ọma. Response, imeela. Imeela is thank you. You can use, in a lot of situations. It's still okay. Imeela. God bless you. Chukwu gozie gị. In Igbo language, Chukwu means God. So God bless you. Chukwu gozie gị. Response, gozie kwa gị. Bless you too, that's what it means. God be with you. Chukwu nọnyere gị. Response, ya nọnyekwara gị. Or you can just say nọnyekwara gị. You don't have to put the ya. Peace be with you. Udo dịrị gị. Peace is udo in Igbo. In Igbo, peace, udo. So udo dịrị gị. Response, dịkwara gị or udo dịkwara gị. How are you? Kedu ka ị dị? Response, adị m mma or ndị mma. May it be well with you. Ka ọ dịrị gị na mma. Ya dịrị gị na mma. They just mean the same thing. Response, dịkwara gị na mma or dịkwara gị. It shall be well with you. Ọ ga-adịrị gị na mma. Response, imeela maọbụ dịkwara gị mma. Thank you. Imeela or daalụ. Response, nsogbu adịghị. There's no problem. That's what it means. Sorry. Now let me talk about this sorry. Sorry can be used, in different situations. You can say sorry to somebody who is sick. You can say sorry to somebody, like if you offend somebody. You can say sorry. You can say sorry to someone who is bereaved. So sorry in Igbo is used in different situations. But in Igbo, sorry means ndo. Response, nsogbu adịghị. So it depends on the situation. If it's somebody who is sick and you say ndo to the person can say imeela. If it's somebody that is bereaved, the person can also say imeela for saying ndo. But now, if it's somebody that you offended, it depends. If the person wants to accept your apology, the person can say nsogbu ade. But if the person is really hurt and doesn't feel like accepting your ndo or your apology, the person can now say whatever she or he wants. So it just depends. Like I say, it depends on the situation. See you later or see you next time. Kodi mgbe ozo. Kodi mgbe ozo. Response, ka emesịa. Ka emesịa. So that is it today. Ọ ka ọ ha m n'olu. Ka ọ dị mgbe ọzọ. Udo dịkwara unu. Ka emesịa o. Anyị ga-ahụ mgbe ọzọ. Ka ọ dịrị unu na mma.